This is part 282, line 22f1fa17 Molybdenum Oxides Nitrogenase Heterogeneous Polyanions 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. July the 10th, 2012 is when I worked on it. Today's July 18th. Data quotes to read: Google molybdenum. Organic, inorganic hybrid materials from simple coordination polymers to organodyne templated molybdenum oxides. From P.J. Hagerman, D. Hagerman, and Zawadi Chami, 1999, Wiley Online Library. Abstract: a blueprint for the design of oxide materials is provided by nature. By borrowing from nature's ability to influence inorganic microstructures in biomineralization of processes and in the hydrothermal synthesis of complex minerals, a new class of materials. Okay. The next is the mononuclear molybdenum enzymes. R. Hill, Chemical Reviews, 1996, from osti.gov. The description of an abstract for molybdenum is widely available to biological systems due to the solubility of its high valent oxides in water, and is found in two basic forms: as an integral component of the multinuclear M center of nitrogenases, and as a mononuclear active. Okay, so next is the coordination and bioorganic chemistry of molybdenum, from Al Stiefel, 1977. Progress in inorganic chemistry, basically it's a volume number. Next is vibrational investigations of polyoxymetalates, evidence for anion-anion interactions in molybdenum Vi and tungsten Vi compounds related to the Kegon. From C. Rotriol, de Sloop, M. Fournier, Inorganic, 1983. The influence of counterions on the vibrational spectra of complex anions is in the solid state has been widely studied by using several kinds of approaches. One of them, based on the factor group approximation, considers the coupling between formula units in the Bravais. There's a word there. Tensile properties of fiber-reinforced metals, copper, tungsten, and copper molybdenum. A. Kelly, from 1965, Elsevier. Abstract: tensile tests at a variety of temperatures have been carried out on composites consisting of tungsten or molybdenum wires, unilaterally aligned in a copper matrix. Both continuous and discontinuous wires have been used in both brittle and ductile tungsten. Next came up the physical properties of thin film field emission cathodes with molybdenum cones. From C.A. Spint, I. Brody, L. Humphrey, 1976, from IEEexplorer.ieee.org. The abstract: field emission cathodes fabricated using thin film techniques in electron beam microlithography are described, together with the effects obtained by varying the fabrication parameters. The emission originates from the tip of the molybdenum cones that are about 1.5. Next is the mechanism of molybdenum nitrogenase. B.K. Burgess, D.J. Lowe, from 1996, ukpmc.ac.uk. Okay. Next thing came up: synthesis of molybdenum, imido-alkylidene complexes, and some reactions involving acylic olefins. From R. Schrock, J.S. Murdex, G.C. Bazan, 1990. Results: synthesis of molybdenum imido-alkylidene complexes. The synthesis of MOC, there's the calculations there, created the possibility of preparing monophenylene, whatever that means, complexes of molybdenum analogous to those of tungsten that could be prepared from number there. Next is crystallographic structures and functional implications in nitrogenase molybdenum iron proteins from Azobacter vinaladi and Clostridium pastorum. That's from 1993, from J. Kim, from resolver.caltech.edu. Three-dimensional structures of the nitrogenase molybdenum iron morphe proteins from Azobacter vinale and Clostridium pastorum have. Next is heterogeneous catalysts by heteropoly compounds of molybdenum and tungsten from M. Edmisano, 1987. Heteropolyanions are polymeric oxyanions which are formed by the condensation of more than two different oxygens. EQ1 polyanions consisting of one kind of oxygen are called isopolyanions. Acidic elements such as M, V, W, Nb, and Ta. So the tags and keywords are counterions, vibrational spectra complex anions, Bravais anions, copper tungsten, copper matrix, unilaterally aligned, imido-alkaline complexes, imido-nephelotine complexes, crystallographic structures, Azobacter vinale, Clostridium pastorum, heterogeneous catalysts, heteropoly compounds, molybdenum tungsten, heteropolyanions, polymeric oxyanions, polyanions, isopolyanions, biomineralization processes, hydrothermal synthesis of complex minerals, mononuclear molybdenum enzymes, and multinuclear M center of nitrogenase. And we'll go into the next one now.